Everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Crypto Millionaire Mindset series. All right, this is episode 2. And today's topic in episode 2 is patience. Patience, right? So one of the things that's important when developing a crypto millionaire mindset or a millionaire mindset in general is having patience. Right? I think it's really important. So I wanted to do a video on it to break down why I think it's important, right? If you believe that you can reach financial freedom through investing in crypto or real estate or stocks, one thing that's very important, and one thing that I learned is that you have to develop patience. Right? Patience. The most successful billionaires and millionaires in this world, they had to develop patience, right? They had to develop patience and discipline, right? And investing in crypto is going to test your patience at levels or in ways that you couldn't even imagine, right? Prime example is us going into a bear market for potentially, who knows when, 2-3 years. The 80 percentile doesn't have the mindset or the patience to endure that type of bear market, to see their portfolio in the red for days on end. Not realizing that each day we're in a bear market, we're getting one day closer to a bull market, So patience is definitely vital on your road to becoming a millionaire. Like it just is. You have to have it, patience when it comes to investing in your knowledge, right? Not just with your money, but the plethora of knowledge that's accessible at your fingertips for free via Google, via YouTube, right? If you're doing research on YouTube as well, this is the time to definitely get in touch with, the legacy markets, the CPI numbers, inflation, all of these things. If you're investing in crypto and you don't understand what inflation is, then I'd say you got some homework to do. So Bitcoin was created and birthed out of the 2008 financial crisis, and it was supposed to be a hedge against inflation, right? And it was also designed to be a means of transferring value in borderless methods, beyond borders, across the world, globally, right? That's Bitcoin in a nutshell, right? It's many more things, but that's what it is at a high level, right? You can get into blockchain and all the semantics and proof of work versus proof of stake and blah, 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 blah. Right? But things are slow right now. Things are down. Money's slow, right? Unless you're an active trader, you're making money going up and going down, right? But even the day trader has had to have patience and discipline in learning how to trade, right? So patience doesn't just apply to the long-term investor. It applies to the traders as well. They've taken the time and developed the patience and have gone through the trials and tribulations of losing money over and over again until they started winning or reducing their losing ratio versus their winning ratio on their trades. All right, so patience is definitely key. Definitely key, it's so important. So important. Because most of the millionaires and billionaires, ironically enough, they became wealthy while they were doing something else. Yeah, check it out, man. Like research that. How many millionaires and billionaires got wealthy while they were focusing on something else, Okay. So in crypto right now, in the bear market, there are assets that will do 20, 30, 40, 50 X's by the next bull run, right? So you buying now, and some of these assets, every dollar you put in could potentially turn into 20, 30, 40, $50. Yeah. But it will take time. It will take time. It's going to take time. 80% of the people who got into crypto in the past 18 months, they don't have patience, and they're looking for the next hot thing to throw their money in. You know, when I first started my channel, I covered more solidified projects, but I also covered meme coins because it was the meme season. We were at the end of the bull market, you know, and now is definitely not the time to be investing in memes, right? If you think you found the next Shiba Inu, right? You know, not financial advice, but that's not what I'm doing, right? I'm investing in cryptos that have more legitimate use cases, that have a moat. Maybe they're solving a problem. Maybe they have a niche, right? You know, and also winners, blue chips. This is the time to get into blue chip cryptos, right? And so one thing I'll say, the crypto millionaire mindset has, or a feature of that mindset, is to don't overlook the money. Don't overlook the winners. Don't just invest in the high risk cryptos because it's a micro cap. Look at the winners. Look at Bitcoin. Look at even Ethereum. Ethereum is a 4x away from its all-time high. Boom, easy money. If it dumps to 8, if it dumps to 6, if it dumps to 5, if it stays where it is, right? Solana, what is it? 10x from its all-time high, right? Avalanche was 15x from its all-time high, roughly 12x. A lot of the blue chips are relatively kind of the same when it comes to returns and them getting back to their all-time high. Where it starts getting really crazy with those blue chips and even the micro caps is if Bitcoin does get back down to 13K, then you know, Solana will be 20x or more from its all-time high, right? So in these times, you know, it's definitely not a good idea to overlook the easy money, the winners, the more established cryptos, right? So, you know, this is the time to definitely jump on those cryptos and start dollar cost averaging into them, and understand that it's going to take time. And if you invested in a crypto that doesn't have a product yet, but they're working on it, you got to have patience. You got to have patience. The P word, not the other P word, but the patience word is vital to the crypto millionaire mindset. Like it's vital to that mindset. You have to have patience. There isn't a day that goes by that I don't at least interact with crypto in some way, right? But I'm super bullish on this space and super bullish on the opportunity. You know, I just think, well, I know that one thing you can't get back is time. You can't get time back. So if you have loved ones, you have kids, you have hobbies, you know, the weather's great, you know, enjoy that time, because you're not going to get it back, you know. And if anything, you know, it's definitely a good idea to look for things to do and activities and other areas to, you know, put your focus into, to take your mind off of the markets and how bad they are right now, right? Unless you just want to research to your heart's content, you know, that's totally up to you, right? But patience, right? Patience is key to the crypto millionaire mindset. You have to have it. It's something you have to have. You have to be hungry for it. You have to understand it, get in touch with it. That's how I feel. That's totally how I feel about patience. You got to have patience. Got to. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video on patience and my take on patience, right? Because this market is anybody's guess how long we're going to be in the bear market, right? And can you imagine, just look back at your life in the next year or two, how many things you missed out on because you either didn't have patience or you weren't doing other valuable things with your time, right? There's a difference between unplugging from the market and staying engaged. So there's a way to develop the patience and stay engaged with crypto, all right? You know, open up a TradingView account, set alerts, right? Set alerts, okay? Get the app, get the TradingView app for your smartphone, your mobile device, right? You know, if the crypto that you're trying to track, isn't on TradingView, get the CoinGecko app, get the CoinMarketCap app, set up an alert there as well. You know, these are things that I do so I can be out enjoying my life while the market is doing its thing. You know, I can be out at a dinner or a movie or on the road or something like this, and I can see, oh, TrueBit is up 20%. Nice. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, set alerts. Technology allows us to be in multiple places at once. Okay, allows us to do things we couldn't many years ago. All right, so patience is key in the crypto millionaire mindset. All right, guys, so I'll be back soon with another crypto millionaire mindset video. And until then, stay safe out there. Try not to get wrecked. Deuce Crypto out.